Using the Albert app is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. Users can link their bank accounts, credit cards, loans, and investment accounts to Albert securely. The app categorizes transactions from linked accounts, providing insights into spending habits. Albert uses machine learning algorithms to offer personalized financial advice based on spending patterns and financial goals. Users receive recommendations on how to save money, reduce fees, or optimize investments. Albert offers an automatic savings feature where users can set up recurring transfers to savings or investment accounts. Users can create specific savings goals, such as an emergency fund or vacation fund, and track their progress over time. Based on users' financial profiles and goals, Albert suggests personalized investment strategies. Users can set up automated investments to contribute regularly to a diversified portfolio. Albert provides users with a comprehensive overview of their financial health, including credit score monitoring and debt analysis. The app offers tips and tools to help users improve credit scores and manage debt more effectively. Albert employs encryption and other security measures to protect users' financial data. The app adheres to strict privacy policies and does not sell users' personal information to third parties. Some versions of Albert offer a service that negotiates lower bills for services like cable, internet, and mobile phone plans. Users may have access to a feature that provides instant cash advances on their paychecks.